So today I'm going to show you how I got my winged cat eye, fox eye makeup look that I did for Valentine's Day. I got like a lot of good feedback on it, so I thought I would do a little tutorial. I'm not gonna do the full face, only because I don't have all the stuff I used because I ran out of it. I had like sample sizes and yeah, so all I did really was put foundation on, contour, did a lot of blush, highlighter, bronzer, and all that. So I'm just gonna focus on the eyes. So I start off with the P. Louise Acid Rain Paint in Blank Canvas. This is literally the best eye primer I've ever used. I have oily eyelids. This helps my eyeshadow stay like no other. And just prime my eyes. So I'm just doing this eye off camera and then I will show you how I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna take these two transition shades and just kind of like wing it out into the crease. So I'm kind of like bringing it out. I'm gonna take my brown eyeliner and a brush. My hair looks a mess. And just make a line. And then start winging it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to take this dark brown and just use that to kind of set it and smudge it a little bit. Then I'm going to go back in with my P. Louise base, just a little bit, and press it towards the inner part of the eye, around there. Sometimes using a brush is a little bit more helpful, but whatever works good for you. And then I'm going in with my Dose of Colors. It's a cream shadow and shimmer duo in the shade Shell. Basically put it where you just put the base, so in the inner corner. And you could even go over the liner you just did a little bit too. Then you're gonna take the glitter and place that on top of the cream that you just put down. That'll help it stick. Now you're gonna get a small pencil brush or detail brush and take that brown that we used to press the liner in and mix it with a warm light brown and kind of smudge over that line. You're gonna want a small like detail brush, gel liner, and a small brush, and then get a little bit on the brush and just dot it out. And then you're gonna want to bring it to the bottom. And now you're going to want to line your waterline with the brown liner. Then you're going to take the dark brown eyeshadow and smudge out that liner. And then you could apply your false lashes or your mascara, whatever you want to do. I already have lash extensions on, so I just kind of like brush through them. And yeah, that's pretty much all I really did for this look. It just involves a lot of like smudging, so you don't even have to be the only time you really have to be perfect is when you're getting the inner corners, because it's so hard to get those even sometimes. But yeah, you can kind of just freestyle it. You can add like a brown and just add that to your crease a little bit, like right there, to deepen it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in and add a little bit of depth again. I'm going in with the dark brown shades and just smudging the bottom. I'm actually using this reddy tone kind of brown, which will just warm up the look a little bit. Now I'm gonna line my lips. And go in with a gloss and kind of go over the liner in my lips. And that is how I got this look. I made it maybe a little bit more smoky than I had it on Valentine's Day, but you could go ahead and not use so much dark brown. And yeah, I hope you liked it. If there's any other videos you want me to film or tutorials, I got you. Yeah, but I hope you liked it. Bye!